students, welcome to RP class. Today we are going to see the problem number 6. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reason for your answer. See, they given some 4 points and they are asking, you need to check whether these 4 points are form a quadrilateral. If it is a quadrilateral, then give the name. Whether whether it is a square or a rectangle or a parallelogram, we need to check. First we need to check whether it is a quadrilateral or not. If it is a quadrilateral, then we need to check what type of quadrilateral this is. Okay. First we need to take the points. Let the given points be, let the given points be a of minus 1 comma minus 2, b of 1 comma 0, c of minus 1 comma 2 and d of minus 3 comma 0. Okay, 4 point I took A, B, C, D. Next, we need to suppose it is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? What is the condition of quadrilateral? More than 2 points not lie in the same line. It have a 4 vertices and more than 2 points not lie in the same line means we can say the 4 points are quadrilateral. Okay, it have a 4 vertices. An important condition is more than 2 points not lie in the same line, then we can say it is a quadrilateral. So we need to check. Suppose it is a quadrilateral means A, B, C, D. So we have to find all the sides. 4 sides we have to find, and also we have to find the diagonal AC and BD we have to find. So first AB. AB equal to, using distance formula. What is the distance formula? X2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. X2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now this is x1, this is y1 and this is x2 and this is a y2. This is y2. Next, apply the value in the formula. X2 equal to 1 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 equal to 0 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to root of 1 minus into minus plus 1 the whole square plus minus into minus plus 2 the whole square. 1 plus 1 the 2 square plus 2 square, which is equal to 4 plus 4, which is equal to root 8. So we got AB equal to root 8. Same like we need to find the next side BC. BC equal to same formula. Now what is x1 y1? Now this is x1 y1 and this is a x2 y2 value. Apply the value in the formula. So x2 minus x1. Minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to minus 2 the whole square plus 2 square, which is equal to minus 2 square 4 and 2 square 4. 4 plus 4 equal to root 8. So we got BC also root 8 and AB also root 8. Next we need to find the C. Suppose this is a quadrilateral means AB, CD. We done AB and BC also we find. Here root 8 and here also we got root 8. Next we need to find the DC value. DC equal to, now DC or C or CD both are equal only. Now this is a x1 y1 and this is a x2 y2. DC or CD both are equal only. So x2 minus x1 the whole square minus 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 2 the whole square equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 square plus 2 square, which is equal to root of 4 plus 4 equal to root 8. So we got CD also root 8. Next we need to find the DA. DA. DA equal to, now this is x1, this is y1 and this is a x2 and this is a y2 value. Apply the value in the distance formula. What is the distance formula? X2 minus x1 the whole square, minus 1 minus 3 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to minus 1 minus into minus plus 3 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 2 square plus minus 2 square equal to 4 plus 4 equal to root 8. See, now we see all the four sides are equal. Root 8 we got. Next we need to check we need to find the diagonal AC. What is the diagonal? A, B, C, D. AC and BD we have to check. So AC equal to AC. Now this is x1 value, this is y1 value and C. This is a x2 value and then this is y2 value. AC equal to root of x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 2 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 the whole square plus 2 into minus plus 2 the whole square, which is equal to minus 1 plus 1 0 square plus 4 square, which is equal to root 16. Root 16 value is 4. So AC equal to 4 we got. Next we need to find one more diagonal BD. BD equal to now this is a x1 value, this is y1 value and D. This is a x2 value and this is a y2 value. Apply the value in the distance formula. What is the distance formula? X2 minus 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 0 the whole square. So y2 minus y1, which is equal to minus 4 square plus 0 square minus 4 square 16 plus 0 root 16 value, root 16 equal to 4. See, now what are the things we got? 4 sides are equal and the 2 diagonals are equal. So it is a quadrilateral. And what type of quadrilateral it is? It is a square. Why? What is the condition of square? 4 sides are equal and the diagonals are equal. Therefore it is a square. So we have to conclude that. Listen, AB equal to how much? Root 8 and BC also root 8. Here also root 8. Here also root 8. And diagonal equal to both the diagonal AC and BD. Both the diagonal we got a 4 and all the sides are equal. Therefore, it is a ABCD is a square. Therefore, ABCD is a square. So, we have to conclude that. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Therefore, all sides are equal. Sides are equal and to AC. AC equal to BD equal to 4. Therefore, both diagonals are equal. Both the diagonals are equal. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Therefore, ABCD is a square. So, there, what's the question? They given 4 points and they are asking whether it is a quadrilateral or not. We have to check. If it is a quadrilateral, what type of quadrilateral we need to give. So, first we have to find the 4 sides and the 2 diagonals. Then you check the answer. 4 sides also equal and the 2 diagonals also equal. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Now, we can see the next problem. Here also they given 4 points and we have to check whether it is a quadrilateral. Then what type of quadrilateral? First we have to check whether it is a quadrilateral or not. If it is a quadrilateral, then which type of quadrilateral? Whether it is a square or a rectangle or a parallelogram, we have to check. So first we need to take the points. Let the given points be A of minus 3, 5 and B of 3, 1, C of 0, 3 and D of minus 1, minus 4. So let the given point be, I took A, B, C, D. Next what we need to do? First we need to find the 4 sides and the 2 diagonals we have to check. So first AB equal to, using the distance formula. What is the formula? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here what is x1? This is x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Apply the value in the formula. So 3 minus 3 the whole square plus 1 minus 5 the whole square equal to 3 minus into minus plus 3 the whole square plus 1 minus 5 4 minus 4 the whole square. 3 plus 3 6 square plus minus 4 the whole square. 6 square equal to 36 plus 16. 36 plus 16 equal to 52. 52 we can write 4 into 13. 4 13s are 52. So 4 is a perfect square. So we can take 2 outside. So 2 into root 13 is the answer. So AB equal to 2 into root 13. Next we need to find the BC. BC equal to, now what is x1? Now here x1 y1 and this is a x2 y2 value. This is a x2 y2 value. Apply the value in the distance formula. Root of x2 minus x1. So 0 minus 3 the whole square plus 3 minus 1 the whole square equal to minus 3 square plus 2 square equal to 3 square equal to 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equal to root 13. 9 plus 4 equal to root 13. Next we need to find the CD. Now this is x1, this is a y1, this is x2 and this is a y2 value. Apply the value in the distance formula. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 the whole square minus 1 minus 0 the whole square plus minus 4 3 minus 3 the whole square, which is equal to minus 1 the whole square plus minus 7 the whole square, which is equal to minus 1 the whole square 1 plus 7 square 49. So 1 plus 49 equal to root 50. So CD equal to root 50 we got. Next we need to find the DA. DA equal to now this is a x1 and y1 and here x2 y2. What's the formula? x2 minus x1 the whole square minus 3 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. So 5 minus 4 the whole square, which is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus 1 the whole square plus 5 minus into minus plus 4 the whole square equal to minus 2 the whole square plus 9 square equal to 4 plus 81. 4 plus 81 equal to 85, root 85. Okay, now 4 sides we completed. Next we need to find the diagonals AC. AC equal to now this is x1 y1 and here x2 y2 value. 0 minus minus 3 the whole square plus 3 minus 5 the whole square. So minus into minus plus 3 square plus minus 2 square, which is equal to 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 equal to root 13. Next we need to find the one more diagonal BD. BD. Now this is x1, this is a y1 and this is x2 and this is a y2 value. This is a y2 value. So what is the formula? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square. Minus 1 minus 3 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 1 the whole square equal to minus 4 square plus minus 5 square equal to 16 plus 25. 16 plus 25 equal to 1. So 3, 4, 41. Root 41 is the answer, equal to root 41. So BD equal to root 41 we got. See, now we done all the 4 sides and two diagonals also we got. See, now we check this BC plus AC. BC plus AC equal to, BC equal to how much? Root 13 plus root 13. If you add, mean you will get root 2 into root 13. So 2 into root 13 means that is what? AB, which is equal to AB. Now we got BC plus AC equal to AB. See, sum of two distance equal to one more distance. So that means what? ABC is a collinear. See, that means what? Now all the points A, B is here. Here C. A, B equal to AC plus CB. Okay. Therefore these 3 points are collinear. ABC is a collinear. So therefore ABCD is not a quadrilateral. Why? What is the condition of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means more than 2 points not lie in the same line. But here 3 points are lie in the same line. Therefore ABCD is not a quadrilateral. See, quadrilateral means what? At least 2 points it can lie in the same line. So one more points are somewhere it is there. Okay. Now ABC is a collinear. More than 2 points are lie in the same line. Therefore ABCD is not a quadrilateral. So what we got? Sum of two distance equal to one more distance. Therefore ABC is a collinear. So 3 points are lie in the same line. Therefore ABCD is not a quadrilateral. Therefore ABCD is not a quadrilateral. So we have to know the definition of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means you have the 4 vertices. An important condition, more than 2 points are not lie in the same line. But here we got 3 points are lie in the same line. 3 points are lie in the same line. Therefore ABCD is not a quadrilateral. Therefore ABCD is not a quadrilateral.